Have you ever tried to send money to someone in another country only to realize that Venmo, the app we all use for everything, literally doesn't work outside of the United States? It's a frustrating wall to hit, especially when you're standing at a checkout in Europe or trying to pay a freelancer in Asia. I've spent the last few years traveling and managing global payments, and I've learned the hard way that while Venmo is great for splitting a pizza in New York, you need a different toolkit for the rest of the world. If you're looking for a direct alternative, Wise is the gold standard I use for almost everything. Unlike Venmo, Wise gives you the real exchange rate, the one you see on Google, without the 3% to 5% markup banks usually hide. From my experience, the fees are transparently shown up front, and in many cases, the money arrives in seconds. It also gives you local bank details for different countries, so you can receive euros or pounds like a local without paying conversion fees. For those of you who want more of a financial hub, Revolut is the move. It feels the most like Venmo in terms of the social interface, but it's built for global use. I use it for the vaults feature to save in different currencies and the fact that you can exchange money at great rates on weekdays. Just a heads up, they do charge a small fee for weekend exchanges when the markets are closed, so try to plan your transfers for Tuesday rather than Saturday. If you're sending money home to family, particularly in places like Mexico, India, or the Philippines, Remitly is usually my recommendation. They focus specifically on the remittance side of things, meaning they offer more delivery options than just a bank-to-bank transfer. I've used it to send money for cash pickup at physical locations, which is a lifesaver if your recipient doesn't have a digital-first bank account. Lastly, don't overlook Sum. Because it's owned by PayPal, it feels very familiar if you're already in that ecosystem. It's not always the cheapest. Wise usually beats it on raw fees, but the reliability and the sheer number of countries it covers make it a solid backup for your folder of finance apps. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.